Inheriting a home could be a huge milestone for you and your family, especially if it comes with no mortgage. In this video, I'll be giving you 5 tips on inheriting a home in New Jersey and what to do next, and the things that I think you should know as a real estate professional. Number 1, verify the ownership. Now, this usually involves running a title search, either with a title company or even going down to the local's clerk office. What this will do is just verify who is on the deed and who isn't. A lot of times I work with families who don't know that there's another person on the deed, or just want to just make sure that the person that you think is on the deed is the only one on the deed, which can help you on the back end process of transferring ownership. Now, number 2, you want to understand inheritance tax. Now, New Jersey doesn't have a state tax anymore, but it does have inheritance tax depending on your relationship with the person who passed or your relationship with the decedent. Now, spouses, children, and parents are exempt, but everyone else have to check the tax bracket, and I recommend that you talk to a tax professional. Now, number 3, this is a big one. You want to understand or check for outstanding balances or outstanding bills associated with the properties. So this is property taxes, utility bills, and in a certain situation, HOA fees. You want to get a clear picture so you can avoid apology. You can avoid any type of surprises on the back end. Now, number 4 is to decide what you're going to do with the property. Now, you can rent it, which I can help you with. You can move in, which I can give you tips on, or you can sell it, which I could definitely help you with. Either which way, all these different avenues have different implications. For example, if you sell it, you want to know what is the value of the property. You want to have an overview of what this looks like before you transfer it, or if you can even sell it before you transfer ownership. You want to have answers to these questions, and you want to have a professional who works with families who have recently inherited property and is familiar with the probate process in your local county. Now, number 5 ties into number 4, which is to consult professionals. I would recommend that you talk to an attorney, because I'm not an attorney. You talk to a financial advisor, and you talk to a real estate professional in regards to the inheritance of this home, because it's a lot. As you may know, especially if you're already a homeowner, you know all that comes with owning a house. So imagine owning 2 houses. If you've never done it before, that's something that comes with this whole nother set of obligations and potential challenges. So you want to speak to a professional, because you don't want to deal with this all on your own. Unknowns stresses people out, because you're trying to pull from an experience that you've never had. That's the end of my spiel. But if you guys have recently inherited a home and you're thinking about selling, just have a no obligation conversation. You can click the link in my description and book a Zoom call. We'll talk, and I'll just advise you more than anything, because that's what I am. I'm a real estate professional, but also a real estate consultant. And I like to educate my clients, so not only can they make an informed decision by working with me, but they can make an informed decision by going forward. If you guys got any value from this video, just go ahead and leave me a like. I appreciate you in advance. Thank you guys for watching.